look like.
So life is bad. I mean, life is good. Yeah. What was the kid's name again? Oh shit, he's on camera.
Fuck you, Mojalanus.
Hardy Edwards.
Dang, you look so black on camera.
Because I am black.
No, you're not. You want to be black so bad.
I am black. My dad is black and my mom is Marshallese.
Nigga, my dad is calling my mom.
Nigga, what?
So guys, say what's up to the vlog.
So what's up to the vlog?
Are you vlogging me vlogging you right now?
Yo, are we vlogging you, vlogging us, vlogging you?
Y'all got Fatty Boy right here.
Thought you were gonna assign me with something amazing.
He got the M for my name, Mojo. Stop playing.
Yo, why do I believe him? Yo, wait, why is that actually true?
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna go.
Actually, the trail's not right there. I just climbed out the thing.
You're fucking lying.
We passed the trail.
Oh, we did?
Like, we passed to go down. But we could just go down how you went down.
Hell
No,
no.
not like rode down, but like we could like, walk down. You go, Adam.
What the fuck was that noise?
Protection every. Oh, there's people right there.
No, that rattling noise.
Oh, I was trying to grab that. The condom.
What is that?
I hear that.
Y'all hear that?
Yeah, it's like, I don't think it's a rattlesnake. That shit is louder.
Yeah, rattlesnakes are loud.
How the fuck do y'all niggas know?
Real life.
You said what?
Real life.
Real life? What's a life? What's a J-O-B?
I don't know. Don't ever say J-O-B around me.
Sorry for dropping this J slur without a warning.
If we go down that way, we could just go straight down.
No, just go there.
Somebody's stuff is here.
We're not gonna touch their stuff. That's
Cool.
rule number 1.
Look at her skin. They're gonna think we touched their stuff. Well, look at mine and your skin. They're gonna think Adam was a part of their crew, got lost, and then found his way back.
Yeah, let's go down.
At this spot? I feel like we could find a better spot.
You can't no, I can't go down. You're gonna slip in there, bust your ass.
Yeah, you're gonna slip, bust your ass, and get your ass eat. Oh shit. This is way better.
Hell nah, nigga, it's dangerous coming down here.
You know, as an expert like me, you know, I would never fail.
Damn, look at this shit. You won't jump on that other one? Yeah.
Now this is where I could skip a rack.
Hey, video this nigga.
All right. I should be in 0.5 since
In case you fall.
light or dark. I mean lighter.
That's like a long jump.
Yeah, but you can make that.
I know.
Anyone can make that. I believe in you.
Not anyone.
No, anyone, even a sped kid.
Yes, kidding. Expect people cannot make that.
Damn, look at that.
What?
You can see the reflection. I could see you on the rock, Mo.
Oh, nigga, that's me.
Teen Titans.
You're a dumbass.
This one is good. There you go.
Ooh, wow.
So ass.
How the fuck do y'all do
This way
that?
is better. How was it? There you go.
What the hell?
Oh. Fuck me or fuck you.
Can I introduce?
You know, these round times are actually pretty good. Eat my dick.
Oh, too small. this one is a pretty good size.
This is gonna.
Well, it has to be flat.
Yeah.
Try.
It could be round, but not too round.
Fuck. Fuck me in my ass.
Oh, wait.
I think I found the method.
That was nice.
Boom, 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 boom.
Eee.
You hear my boss clapping for me?
No. Oh my days, how do y'all do that?
Whoa, that's way more over here. And then that's ass. See this solid one? Boom, 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 boom.
That was fire.
And then I come in with the Morganton.
That's gonna go. Yeah, that's gonna go viral.
That's going on
And
YouTube.
then I come in- This nigga keep getting.
You're gonna hit his head.
There's no good rocks over here.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna come.
Really?
And it seems the video is about to be over.
Damn, I look black as fuck.
Nah, it's just the camera. But yeah, guys, subscribe, comments, so we can come back here again. And you know, I need these subscribers and these views so I could pay rent.
Watch this, Sam.
I'm just
Anyone gotta like what?
subscribe though.
Fuck me in that. Out there.
It don't have to be flat. It gotta be light and big. It has to
Light.
not be dense. Like, see this? How this is small, but it has less density. It will skip like a good boy.
Ow.
Simon.
Ow.
They all have good density. Like this. And this. Ooh, glide. Ooh. See these
How the
smaller
fuck do y'all
rocks?
do that?
These small. Already cut.
Bitch.
Oh, fuck. Imbecile.
If you don't make it, I'm gonna rape you. And there's another one over there.
Nigga, you're not going over there.
Look how strong the water is. It's not strong. Right now it's not strong.
No, it's a bad idea.
No, it's not.
It's a bad idea.
No, it's not.
Look, there's
Look,
one
see,
over
it's
there.
strong.
Oi!
Oh,
fuck.
what are you doing? Oh, fuck. How much should I do it?
Hey, that's not funny.
No, I didn't mean to throw that at you. Nigga, it's hard to see because I'm throwing it through the camera.
Why would you do that?
Oh, whoa.
Oh! Just like Margin Vegetator. Such a nonchalant guy.
Inevitably. Don't mention my actions.
What's the move? Why you got your shoes off?
I'm going in.
Whoa, you're going in? Tell the fans you're going in.
Your ass.
Tell the fans what you're doing. You got 100 followers.
I'm going over there to get together.
Whoa! We understand.
Why you pulling up your pants if you're gonna get wet anyways? He's trying to get that.
Fucking dumb. I'm not trying to get my pants wet.
Trying to get that
Ooh,
golf
no,
ball.
if I were you, I would.
You're gonna get wet, bro.
How?
That shit is deep.
Over there it is, not over here.
You should just commit and get wet. He got it. He got it. Hooray.
Guys, want to see me skip a golf ball?
Nigga, it's slippery as hell in this bitch.
Hooray.
I'm not touching that.
Hooray for Moja. He got his golf ball. He said, what? There's another one? Oh my goodness.
Are you staring at my asses, crackers? You absolute imbecile.
Hey, there's a random car over there.
This dude got a wedgie. He really not trying to get wet. Oh, the golf ball is right there, guys. If you cannot see, it's right there. And then here's Moja.
But have you guys seen this skipping the rocket?
And here's Thomas. You do not mog.
I'm gonna take out my sweats. Skip my ass before.
Gay.
Have you ever seen I skip a rock off of a rock before?
Do it.
Fuck.
Fucking trash.
Hey, stop that.
I have to video this guy fall. If he falls, I have to capture it on video and embarrass his children and his generation after.
You won't throw a rock at me.
What, Adam? I won't. You will, though.
No, I would skip this rock off of this rock. Watch as I do it.
What happened? Slippery?
The rocks are slippery, bro.
Yeah, be careful. You could cut your foot.
Yeah.
You should just come back. Fuck the golf ball. What did the golf ball ever do to you?
Be white. I mean, not be white.
I've never seen a black golf ball.
No.
only when it's dirty. Only when it don't shower.
How do you think they got their colors?
All golf balls are white. This is a fire photo. Say hi. He's gonna fall. What are you getting now?
This is a fire photo.
Kiat. You are not Sigmatism.
Am I autism? What am I? Huh?
This is nice. What the fuck am I watching?
Fuck, how you gonna do that?
My camera looks so good today.
It's because you're in 4K, 60 FPS.
You get douche.
Yes.
Imagine your camera was 240 FPS, bro. That shit would be crazy.
Like a computer.
Yes.
I can see the rocks in the water. How do you do that sitting down? How do you do that sitting down?
Oh, I like that.
Shut your ugly ass up, nigga. Get out. You don't need to leave.
Shit goes on. Fuck you.
Yeah, that would be like a fucking...
Shut your fucking mouth.
Have you seen that one?
Is it like a UK accent?
Yeah. He's like, how old are you? I'm 4 years old. You are the youngest. I'm 4 years. Shut your fucking mouth.
Shut your fucking mouth.
You are the youngest person ever.
Oh.
You are the youngest fucking not ever person fucking not ever.
I see you got your racist homo fuck.
Trying to hit that nigga,
Don't get too close to me, brother. What the hell are you talking about?
I see you got your racist pedophile.
See, you got your...
What the hell?
Don't get close to me, brother.
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh. Damn. I'm actually impressed, guys. You know, I'm so impressed because I don't really like...
You know, when I was growing up, I never had a father.
Fuck you. You know.
Watch out.
How do y'all do that sitting down? Don't y'all need like the twist in the hips?
You need your wrist.
Your wrist. So as you throw it,
Flicking that bitch. Flick the hug. Let me eat your booty hug.
Come again?
You seen that shit? High school dance?
No.
Oh. But when I put y'all on.
It would, you know what would be great?
Great if you failed.
It would be great for the video if you jumped right there to over there.
I I can't. My shoes are wet.
That's even better. You know, just for a funny joke, it'd be funny if you fell in the water.
Yo, it'd be funny if you said it.
Why does it look so slow?
It's not slow-mo.
60 FPS 4K video.
Sir, yes, sir.
Sorry, yes.
She must.
Bro, look at the camera.
Oh.
Imagine that, Phil.
Damn, that bug almost went in my ear. It almost went in my ear. Alright, let's get it.
Bro, if you get a picture of me, just.
It's in video.
This is a song to me, to you.
Weren't you playing this earlier?
Okay, guys.
No, I was singing.
Let's move upon the.
What are we listening to today? We're making a music video now? I can't. I want. Lonely road. You show.
I'm not following the lead.
So.
Are you okay, bro?
Oh, us? No.
Because nobody ever asked me that.
Yeah, don't worry, I know.
Yo, that's actually beautiful.
Hey, we should go explore that.
We should. Maybe bigger.
You going down?
Yeah.
Careful, though.
You might die. Alright, Thomas. Yeah, make it sideways. Are you videoing right now? Are you filming?
E-I-L. You're gonna fall, bruh. Alright, ready?
Ooh, this is tough.
Want me to dim it down?
Nah, yes, if you want.
Damn, this is tough. Once I dimmed it down, it looked hella nice. I could barely see your face though.
You're not supposed to.
You're such a cool guy. You're such a nice guy. Always finish last. Should have known that.
I always finished last night in the bed, though. Gave you my day.
Quack, nigga. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Wait, imagine I dome it
Quack, quack.
with this skip a rock, kick a cock.
Niggas in nature.
Niggas in nature.
Quack, quack. Hey, hit that. Hey, hit that bird with the rock. Kill it now. Quack, 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 quack. Here we have our pet we just met today.
Adam's only friend.
Rock. Hey, be nice to him. But yeah, he wanted to come. Look, show the river.
How do you know it's a him, huh? Did you just misgender a rock?
No.
That's very misogynistic of you.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you don't give a fuck about LGBTQ member plus premium?
I didn't say that.
Fuck no, I'm not going near that.
Look, we could climb that tree and sleep in it.
Imagine how many spiders are in that shit. Especially how it's by the river too.
That's why you put on spider repellent.
Oh yeah, put on Adam spray. Repels all animals, all women. No.
This is for you gym influencers who give excuses. You know, no excuses. No excuses. Who's gonna carry the boats? Not me. Who's gonna carry the boats? Not me. Who's gonna carry the boats? Not me. Not me. Who's gonna carry the boats? Alright.
I did the lighting perfect on that.
Thank you.
Well, to my opinion.
I love you so much, Rock. You're my best friend. Fuck you! Damn, this is nice. We should have matching profile pictures. And we should have like names matching. Hell yeah. I could put mine like A. What is it yours? TKC? Mine could be AKC.
Nah,
Oh my
I
god.
want they put They Love Adam, and then I put my name as They.
That way?
Whoa, that was amazing!
Yo, chop boy.
My hair is making me chopped. Let's see you do a pull-up.
Crazy, crazy, lemons, crazy. Yeah.
Well, you're lucky my leg hurts.
I think the tree hurts.
You do a pull up.
You do a pull-up?
What the fuck?
That was not really a pull-up, but like I still went up.
There was dead ass a snake that went in there. How did you not see that?
I was too busy.
Nigga, go!
It was a little one. You know what that means if there's little ones, right?
This big one?
No shit. Something on your back. I took it off. That snake actually scared me.
It did.
Yes. Cause nigga, if there's a little snake, there's definitely a big snake.
It could be fatherless, yeah.
The snake is not named Thomas, Adam, or Mo. It is not fatherless.
How did you get over there?
He jumped.
How did you get up there?
You're smart.
Yo, I should go to the other side.
Bro, that would be tough.
Nigga, there's snakes around here. Bro, there's snakes around here. I'm not going over there. Where? Yes. Yummy.
Hey, I'll take it on my phone. I'll take it on my phone. I'll take it on my phone.
Oh, this is already fire as it is.
Thank you guys for 1 million subs. I mean 100.